Yeah, so welcome 2025 and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, the plan was to start off this year with a pike fishing session, trolling the big rubbers. But yeah, the pike didn't think that was a good idea. So it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna start 2025 off with a perch fishing session. So let's see what this chasing guy has to say.
I actually planned it should be pike fishing. But you know what? I spent 2 days of pike fishing and in the boat trolling the big rubbers. And the pike were so passive. There were nothing. So according to plan, nothing happened. So the first video should have been pike fishing, but now I suit myself up with the waders, the perch back, some lures, and you guys sitting behind the cameras. The cameras, not the camera, the camera. So I'm starting this season off with perch fishing. It's easy in between the busy hours just to go to local waters. And as I said, I was really set to pike fishing, trolling the big rubber baits on some decent sized lakes, but nothing. There were nothing, actually nothing. But we struggled against some hot wind the first day, but yeah, it is what it is. So to start this season of 2025, yeah, it's gonna be perch fishing. So follow me in this video and I'm gonna locate the place where I've caught some really nice perch over the last 4 months. So let's go roll the perch fishing out. Let's see what's gonna happen on this small start video 2025, and I hope all you guys out there had a happy new year with all your beloved ones. So let's see what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna fish it on the drop shot with the craft crawler, and let's see. Fishing it relatively near the bottom. Maybe I'm gonna change the position of the drop shot, but I hope to show you guys a good perch today. But you know, while fishing, nothing is a safeguard, and I planned myself a good video pike fishing, trolling the big rubbers, and they were just completely passive. There were nothing, no strikes, no activity, nothing. We saw them on the screen on the fish finder and they were just standing so close to the bottom, just completely passive. But I have a cool video coming up on the YouTube. I've been challenged by 2 really cool guys, and we're gonna do a battle on a lake this week. So yeah, it's gonna be fun to watch on this channel. So stay tuned. So yeah. First spot didn't produce anything, so now I'm trying out another venue. But yeah, as you see behind me, it's 0.000 something degrees, so it's cold, and ice is laying just calm over the surface. But here I am in another venue and laying the first cast. So maybe they're here. I'm just gonna try it with the drop shot before I change for the jig. Just to see if I can run into a a really good one. But first spot didn't produce anything, and in these episodes it's not just catching fish, it's all about the journey to maybe, oh, there was a fish jumping, to maybe get there. These episodes are my journey to get to that dream fish that I'm chasing. So you're gonna see also trips where I'm gonna walk you through what I'm fishing with, what techniques I use, and fishing trips where I don't catch anything. It's gonna be episodes of everything. But hopefully, in the end, I manage to get the good one. Hopefully. So nothing on this second spot. So I'm gonna leave this 2 spots now. They're not producing at all. And I'm gonna go to the 3rd spot. I promised myself this will only be 2 spots video, but I really want to show you guys a perch in my episodes, but I can't promise anything. So it's cold today, the water is pretty strong. It's pretty strong current. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna move my beeps and find another spot. Oh, there we go. That's a big fish. I'm into a big fish now. That's a big fish. I think I failed hooked something, but it's a big fish. Wow, I'm into something now. I think it's a bream. Must be, it's something really big. Damn, I don't think I'm gonna get this one in. Okay, at least something happened. I think it's a big bream. Must be. Yeah, it is a really big bream. Oh, damn. I failed hooked a really big bream. Yeah, but at least I can show you guys a fish. Oh, it's just running into a big bream. Let's get this one up to show you guys, but it's not the target fish. I can promise you that. But yeah, if I get it in, you're gonna see a bream. Start 2025 off with a bream. It was not the fish I was after, but this one, I failed hooked this one. But it's a nice size bream, right? Slimy one. So yeah. Not the target fish, but anyway, fun to catch. But I'm gonna let this slimy one go, and let's see if I can catch the target fish, right? I did put up a good fight, so I'm gonna let it go. You go down there. Ooh. Whew. That was a slimy one. Yeah, I know. Not the one I was after. So, failed hooked on the small gobster shad. But then I got to stretch my arms pretty good, so the strike was good. I thought the fish was home, but just a slime ball. Yeah, so that was last cast of this episode. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm gonna show you more episodes before I run into the dream. But today actually just was a dream. It was a big dream. So it is what it is. But thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to catch you in the next one.